Hello guys, the today question is that the valid mountain array in which we will be given array, we need to check whether it's in the form of mountain such that it has to go till the maximum element in an increasing order. It should be like constantly increasing and it should not have like duplicate elements, and it must be like strictly decreasing. Okay, these are all the given inputs. Okay, let's try to solve it. My idea is that like we will be iterating till the condition where like a of I will be less than a of I plus 1. After that we will be checking whether the a of I is lesser than I plus 1. Like after that we will be comparing both things. If in case such that is correct, we will be like returning true or false. Okay, then our AR will be, let me see the input, 0, 3, 2, 1. Okay, valid mountain. Let me press. Okay, we'll just define the function is passed. Then first of all, like we need like two variables to check. I will just name it as left count 0 and right count. Basically, the right count will be the length of the array. Okay, like length of the array will be okay, like length of the array minus 1. I need to check it repeatedly. I'll just go with L count should be less than when of ARR. It will be like identical. So like okay, and I'll be checking another condition such that ARR of L count should be less than ARR of L count plus 1. If such that case, I would be like incrementing the L count. Okay. This should be iterating till like till it reaches the maximum element. It will be like whether it's strictly increasing. After that, you'll just do the same thing but in reverse order for R count. R count should be like greater than 0. Okay, and ARR of R count be greater than ARR of R count plus 1. We need to like decrement so that it reaches till the condition gets false. Is equal to 1 if L count equal to R count greater than true, else okay, what is the error is that? Okay, I'm just starting. Okay, done. It should be like minus 1. Like I'm just checking the next element, which is wrong. I will be like decrementing, so it will be like minus 1. It says false. Why is it false? Okay, sorry, I just made a mistake. Like it should be like less than, okay, like greater than, and also like we need to check whether the constraint like array length should be like greater than or equal to 3. Array length should be like greater than or equal to 3. After that, like we will just make another statement here, like length of ARR greater than, sorry, less than 3. Return false. Okay, it's coming. Yeah, it's false.